Want to migrate from Alpine Mail to Microsoft 365? Meet the Regain Alpine Mail to Microsoft 365 migration tool. It is an advanced software solution designed to make the entire migration process smooth, secure, and hassle-free. Let's quickly explore some powerful features of this software. Directly migrate Alpine Mail MBOX files to Microsoft 365 and Exchange Server. Supports all IMAP-based email services, such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook.com, AOL, Zoho, Yandex, and many more. Export emails into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, MHTML, and PDF formats. No file size limitations, allowing you to migrate large Alpine Mail files with ease. Maintains the original folder structure, email formatting, and data integrity throughout the migration process. Preview emails and attachments before starting the migration. Option to select or deselect folders before migration, and many more features. Now, let's see how you can download and install this software on your device. First, open Google and search for Regain Alpine Mail to Microsoft 365 Migration Tool. From the search results, open our official website. Here, you can purchase the software at an affordable price or try the free trial version. To download the trial version, simply click on the free download button. Once the download is complete, double-click on the .exe file to begin the installation process. The installation is very simple. Just follow the instructions shown on your screen, click Next a few times, and the software will be installed successfully. After installation, launch the software on your device. You will see this interface. Now, the first step is to import your Alpine Mail MBOX file. To do this, click on the Add MBOX File Folder button. Then select your MBOX file folder and click OK. After that, click on the Next button. As a result, the MBOX file will be imported successfully. Simply click on the MBOX file and you can preview all the available emails in the top panel. Click on any email and you will get a detailed preview of that email in the bottom panel. Now, let's start the migration process. From the top menu, click on Cloud Migration. Here, in the drop-down menu, you will find several email clients. As our target is Alpine Mail to Microsoft 365 migration, let's select the Office 365 or Exchange Server option. You can see that there are two login methods available: basic authentication and multi-factor authentication. With basic authentication, simply select your server type, enter your server address, enter your username and password, and click on Login Now to continue. However, the multi-factor authentication login method is easier to use. Simply click on the Login Now button, and as a result, the official Microsoft login wizard will open. Here, you will need to complete the login process as you normally do. First, enter your Microsoft 365 email address and click on the Next button. Then enter the password for your email account and click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-step verification, simply enter the verification code and click on the Verify button. Once the account is connected successfully, you will see this window. Here, make sure the Office 365 option is selected. If you want to change the mailbox where you want to migrate your data, click on the Change Mailbox button. From the drop-down menu, select your preferred mailbox and click OK. After that, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the migration process will begin, and depending on your mailbox size, it may take some time to complete. Once the migration is completed, you will see this message: File conversion process has been completed. Besides Microsoft 365 migration, this software also supports migration to many other email clients. Click on the Cloud Migration menu again. Here, you can see that just before the Office 365 or Exchange Server option, there is an option for Amazon Workmail. If you select it, the Amazon Workmail sign-in wizard will open. Here, simply select your Workmail server and enter your Workmail username and password. After that, click on the Login Now button and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the migration. Now, let's explore the other migration options. Again, click on the Cloud Migration option. Here, you can see that the first four email clients are Gmail or G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail or MSN or Outlook.com, and GoDaddy Email. If you select any of these email clients, a new login wizard will open. Here, along with these email accounts, you can also connect to additional IMAP accounts. For this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Gmail account and migrate your Alpine Mail MBOX file into it. The migration process for the other email services will be exactly the same. First, select the Gmail or G Suite option. Then enter your Gmail email address and password. Here, make sure to use an app password if two-step verification is enabled on your Gmail account or the account you are connecting to. Once this is done, click on the Login button. In this wizard, make sure the Gmail option is selected and click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the migration process will begin, and once completed, all your Alpine emails will be successfully migrated to your Gmail account. Another advanced feature of this software is the Export feature. Simply click on the Export option from the top menu. Here you have the option to export your Alpine Mail MBOX file into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, and PDF formats. For example, let's select the PST format. After that, click on the Browse button. Select a destination where you want to save the output file and click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the conversion process will begin. And once completed, the output file will be saved successfully on your local device. So that's a complete walkthrough tutorial of the Regain Alpine Mail to Microsoft 365 migration tool. Thanks for watching.